Everyone. So my name is Iris Jane Gillespie, and I'm going to tell you about the Southwest Transit. Southwest Transits as a marketing team, and these are Elizabeth, Michael, Susan, and William. Each of the members have their own strengths and weaknesses. Like Elizabeth, she has a strong problem-solving skills, a positive attitude, and a collaborative mindset. She is flexible, open to communication, and capable of leadership when necessary. Her diplomatic approach and ability to settle on resolution that makes sense for the company make her a valuable asset. Michael. He is both tactical and strategic, bringing out strength in others during collaboration. Here, his leadership and motivation skill, along with his strong communication abilities, make him an asset while he can be impulsive and battle with depressive tendency. His ability to see both details and big picture is valuable. Susan. She is energetic, a good team player, and builds trusting relationship. Her ability to talk freely with others and her creative problem-solving skills make her useful in team discussion. While she sometimes struggles with focus, her enthusiasm and willingness to assist teammates can be an advantage. For Williams, his easygoing nature and team player mindset make him a stabilizing force within the team. He has industry expertise, work well both independently and collaboratively, and is motivated when shown appreciation. While he may struggle with efficiency, his experience makes him an asset. There's a reason why this member would been selected because they have the ability to help the team to success. Like Elizabeth, for example, she had a strong problem solving skill, positive attitude, and a collaborative mindset. The team has a clear communication for sharing information, ideas, and feedback, ensuring everyone is on the same page. They provide and receive constructive feedback, also help team members learn, grow, and improve their performance. The development of these skills will help to navigate the team management and important decisions such as return to play. Primary strength of the team. Team have a clear understanding of the team objectives. Encourage team members to reflect on their own strengths and weaknesses. Provide regular feedback to help team members identify areas for improvement. Offer opportunities for team members to develop new skills and knowledge. Engage in activities that promotes collaboration and trust. Conduct regular performance review to assess team progress and identify areas for the improvement. Team potential weaknesses. Some members prefer working alone, some not. They also difficulty in conveying ideas clearly. Some members don't know what the team's goals are. Some have a challenging personalities. Some struggle to convey ideas clearly, leading to misunderstanding. To create value for stakeholder, a team can focus on understanding their needs, fostering a positive work environment, and delivering high quality results, ultimately leading to increased productivity, consumer satisfaction, and overall business success. Few explanation had been provided about how collaborative problem-solving strategies influence the relationship between inter-team conflicts and the final ES im- implementation program outcome. This study based on a conflict management theory uh, of Ching Wu Chang, and it addresses this issue. A sufficiency analysis revealed several combination of condition that sufficiency produce high and low expected outcome because of social entrepreneurship, special characteristics, social and environmental values were found to be a successful competitive advantage and superior economic value that enabled the identification and creation of new market opportunities. I have all those references that I give you, and thank you so much for listening. Have a blessed day.